Here we have a Jet 14-inch vertical bandsaw. It's unused, it's missing parts. It powers up. We're going to show you that right now. See? There's no blade, but the top wheel does spin freely, and all the adjustment components are there. 7-speed. So the unit does operate. It looks like it's going to need a little gear oil on the gearbox. Shut it off here. Alright, it's missing the top front door cover. Bottom cover's okay. It's missing the trunnion assembly for the tilt feature. It does include the table. One of the 6 nuts is broken off on there. It can easily be extracted off of there. This is your cover for your pulley. That's a little dented up, and you're going to need the hardware to put that back on. And this back cover here is slightly bent. Probably be straightened out. Of course, it doesn't include a blade or any kind of parts or user manual. Got some couple scratches, a couple paint scuffs. A little dirty. We wiped it down. It was pretty dusty. But yeah, basically all the components for the trunnion here, including the guide wheels. There's one guide wheel here, but the other 2 are missing. It's 1 horsepower, 115 volt. And we thank you for looking at our product.